Hello friends, welcome to my channel Our Amazing Life and I am Satya. Today I am sharing with you top 5 best sunscreen lotion. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new notification. First, Lotus Herbal Safe Sun UV Screen Matte Gel SPF 50 gram. This is the 50 gram product available in 295 rupees. So it gives absorb in your skin instantly, soothing matte effect, control oil secretion, leaving your face replenished. Infused with ingredients like camphor, soothing horse chestnut and sebum control vanilla. The sunscreen gel provides effects solution to skin tanning. Second, lactocalamine Sunsilk Oily to Normal Skin. This is the 50 gram product available in 190 rupees. Lactocalamine Sunsilk for oily to normal skin with natural lemon extract is designed to remove excess oil and even out skin pigmentation. Its SPF 30 and PA++ protect your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays. Third, VLCC Sweat-Free SPF 40 Sunblock Lotion. It's available 100 gram products 350 rupees. Its sweat-free, non-greasy formulation lends a stained smooth feel to skin, prepared from a unique blend of certain ingredients which protect your skin against the harmful sun UV rays, thereby preventing premature aging and tanning. It's suitable for all skin types and protects skin from redness and irritation. Fourth, Lakme. This is one of my favorite sunscreen lotion. Lakme Sun Expert SPF 24 PA Fairness UV Sunscreen Lotion. It's available 60 ml product only 190 rupees. It has 24 SPF PA++ that protect from harmful UVA and UVB sun rays, while the natural extract keep your skin soft and bright. It aligns with antioxidant. The lotion also contains lemongrass, cucumber extract and vitamin B3. It is good for normal to dry skin type. And last is Nivea Sun Moisturizing Lotion SPF 50. It is available 75 ml product 360. It provides instant protection and is water resistant, has light and non-sticky formula which is quickly absorbed. It has PA++ and advanced collagen protect. It protects skin collagen to help prevent wrinkle caused by frequent sun exposure. These are 5 best sunscreen lotion available in Indian market. Friends, if you like this video, so please like, share with your family and friends and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new updated video. Thank you, stay healthy and happy.